Hey guys, this video is simply just to show you how easy this light is to assemble. So you see it has these two telescoping poles and these two feet bases here. So super simple. You grab them, screw on one pole to each foot. Then you pick up your light, which has holes in the top there, and space the feet apart. Set it up, and then you grab your little hardware packet that it comes with. It has one, like a cap nut for each side. You hand tighten that side down, hand tighten the other one, and then the wrench that it comes with. Hold your legs square while you do it. Couple twists to tighten it, and do the other side. And then you can see again, it has the telescoping, so you can just adjust it, kind of get it level as possible for you. And here's the power cord that it comes with. Just hook it together, and I think it had, one of these sides has a slot. Yep, there it is. So this end here, you just take your power cord and connect it there and plug it in. And that's it, guys. Super simple.